Damato della Monica Building, Pisano la vedo, via Silvio Baratta 11, with EGV, sorry, step EB 916 fixtures. It's going down. Okay. Oh, call cab 420053. Old Fiam elevator completely replaced by Pisano. This is a Fiam serial. It was very old, 1950's. Che person c'era 50 kilograms? I think they have completely replaced the machine. It's machine or less now. MRL, I think. We'll see it when I will be at 6th floor. Yeah, it's MRL. Step ground. Okay, it is MRL traction. No, traction? I think gear less. So, shh, that's it.